Hi guys, John Techie here, and today is pakita ko sa inyo yung ating Xbox Ally X na running na siya sa SteamOS. Official SteamOS ang gamit natin, which is yung 3.9. Ayan, dito sa settings, system. So ito sa SteamOS Holo is Steam Deck 3.9. Official to, hindi tayo gumamit ng Bassite or Catchy OS. So, very optimized dito yung mga games at isa sa mga kinaganda nito is yung power efficiency niya, no? So, yung mga games na itetest natin, yung mga AAA games is running siya ng 15 watts lang. Yung iba is 13 to 10 watts or 9 watts, no? So, mas matagal na yung mga gameplay na malalaro nyo. Minsan 2 to 3 hours na or sometimes 4 hours pa, no? Depende sa game. At ang kinagandaan nito dahil optimized siya is kaya natin paabutin ng 1080p with a fix of 60 FPS, no? So napaka-smooth ng gameplay niya at napakalinaw pa ng mga visual effects nito pag nilaro nyo, no? So yeah, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga games na mga dinemo natin which is running on 15 watts lang na naka 1080p at running on 60 frame rates, no?
Okay, so ito yung God of War Ragnarok, no? So tingnan natin yung settings natin here sa graphics. So makikita nyo naka 1080p tayo, no? Though yung frame limit natin is 30 kasi ino-on natin yung frame gen, no? Tapos FSR 3, custom, high, medium, and low. So maganda ang graphics niyan. Nakikita nyo, ayan. Parang naka PS4 kayo. At syempre ang ating TDP is nakikita nyo 13 watts lang siya, no? Napakatipid nito sa battery, guys. Abot to ng 3 hours siguro ng gameplay. At maganda yung quality ng ating video. So ito yung quick run natin para makita nyo. Stable na 60 yan. Though nagda-drop siya mga around 58 or 59. Very unnoticeable yung lag niyan. Or wala nang halos lag yan.
So, speaking as the smartest man alive, I've no bloody idea.
So ito yung action natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Check nyo maigi yung frame rates. Mababa siya ng mga 58. Pero wala kayong mananotice na lag dyan.
Incoming! All right,
So, ayan,
where's
nakita
that
nyo.
trail gone?
Stable na 60, 1080p, at naka 13 watts lang. Very power efficient at maganda ang quality ng ating game. Okay, so ito naman yung Hogwarts Legacy, no? So, ang ating settings rito is of course, naka 1080p pa rin tayo. Ayan, window mode 1080p, upscale is FSR 3. Tapos, sagad ko yung sharpness niya. Then, of course, yung frame gen is on. Tapos, sa video quality is naka-preset to. Nakaset siya ng recommended mode. Tapos, in-up ko lang yung texture quality ng high para medyo maganda yung itsura ng character natin. Then, ang TDP natin dito is 15 watts. Yan. Para stable na 60. So makikita nyo kapag binabaan ko to ng 13, maabot siya ng mga 40ish kasi hindi na siya mag-stable ng 60 yun. So ayan, nagpo-45 lang siya. So anyways, ang ginagawa ko dyan is 50 since yun ang habol natin para matipid yung battery niya. Then makikita nyo very stable 60 yan, na maganda yung quality image ng gameplay. Test natin.
Explosive! Abandoned long ago, no doubt.
Accio!
No one to share in my victory.
Okay, so ayan, medyo matipid pa rin naman to sa battery sa 15 watts and makikita nyo wala siyang halos lag. No? Stable na 60 pa rin yung gameplay niya. Mix of high and low ang ating settings. Tapos naka 1080p pa rin tayo. No? Ito naman yung Ninja Gaiden 4. Dito is mix of high and medium and low settings tayo. So dito sa graphic settings, sa display natin, naka 1080p pa rin tayo. Tapos here, ang frame limit natin is 60. Tapos prioritize natin yung FSR for resolution kasi pangit na yung graphics pag nakabalance. So naka-resolution tayo. Tapos dito sa graphics preset natin, tayo ay naka-mix ng high, low, and medium. So ayan. Ating TDP is 15 watts. Pero dito nagamit na tayo ng lossless scaling. Naka-lossless scaling tayo ng 2x. So here meron tayong stable na 60. Doon meron siyang konting ghosting. Ayan, nakikita nyo. May ghosting siya. Pero, so much, wala naman siyang input delay or whatsoever.
This should be it.
So yan, very
Hey there.
magandang image niya, no?
Come on in.
Okay, so ito naman yung Red Dead Redemption 2. Yan, ang settings natin dito is mix of high, medium, and low. So here, 1080 window mode. Tapos ang quality natin is naka-preset yan ng custom, which is high, ayan, medium, high, low. Yan. Tapos FSR 2 is enabled, then yung FSR sharpening natin is naka-max. Tapos ang ating TDP is 15 watts. Pero dito is naka-lossless scaling din tayo, no? So ayan, naka-X2 siya. Here may konting ghosting, ayan, makikita nyo. Pero very unnoticeable naman yan pag dahan-dahan nyo lang iniikot yung camera, no? So, magandang quality nito, magandang graphics niya. Ayan, stable siya ng 60 FPS. Okay, so ito yung Suicide Squad. Ang ating settings dito as low, I think. Sa video, ayan. FSR 2 quality, tapos low lahat. Then, our TDP is 15 watts. Tapos dito, naka-lossless scaling din tayo. Yan.
Yeah, but now the whole block smells like barbecued bad guy.
So we have a stable 60 rin.
I believe that is Boomerang.
Ah, bloody hell! Mate, stop smelling me! Attack reload!
Dito medyo bumababa siya ng 40ish. May konting stuttering. Pero unnoticeable naman. Konti lang siya.
Taking it vertical! Damn thing's overheating!
So they're just gonna send guns to us? We don't have to steal them or nothing?
Ain't it grand?
Current target, Boomerang. Why to me, Hal?
Shoot you down! Just a warm-up.
Argus thanks you for your selfless and uncoerced contribution.
Mobilizing!
Ito yung Witcher 3. Running tayo ng 15 watts. Ayan. Wala tong frame gen or lossless scaling. Ang settings natin ay I think is high and medium. It's a video, graphics. Ayan, naka FSR 2 tayo tapos low lang pala to, naka low siya. Ayun, may high and medium yung detail tsaka yung texture niya. Then low yung everything. Tapos sa display natin, of course, 1080p. Yan, window mode. So check natin.
Not bad. What now, you piece of filth?
So ayan, very optimized din naman tong Witcher 3 kahit medyo matagal na game na to, no? Nakikita nyo at stable tayo ng 60. Minsan bumababa siya ng around 50 issues. It's normal naman talaga yan. Alright, so ito naman yung Devil May Cry 5, no? Medyo luma na tong game na to pero one of the AAA games na very optimized din sa ating 15 watts sa ating ROG Ally. Graphics natin dito is naka high and medium. Yan, 1080p, 60 frame rates, tapos high, medium. Wala tong FSR or frame gen. At ang kinagandahan din ito, ang ating TDP is 12 watts lang. No? Napakatipid nito sa battery din. So, ayan. And of course, maganda ang image quality ng ating game. So, ito yung Deadpool. Sa settings natin is graphics niyan is naka ultra high yan. Tapos ang resolution is 1080. Yan. Pero ang ating TDP rito is 13 watts lang. Wala tong frame gen or lossless scaling, no. Though very classic na tong game na to, pero yan, maganda pa rin ang graphics niya at gameplay. So yan.
I knew we'd make it.
Now, where is the man of the hour, Senor Chance Blanco?
Well, you can't get me, freak. My panic room is Deadpool.
Sorry, guns need bullets to work. You see, I set my gun to perforate.
Watch behind you!
The cutting edge of awesome!
Meet my personal guard. He's bigger than you, badder than you, and he's purpose-built to eat little shits like you for breakfast!
Eat shit for breakfast?
Oh, Daddy, look at the size of that thing.
That's what she said!
Okay, so ito pa tong isang bonus natin, no, yung Transformers Fall for Cybertron. So ayan, makikita nyo yung settings natin is naka ultra settings siya, no? Then 1080p rin. Pero ang kinagandaan nito is ang ating TDP is 9 watts lang. So aabot siguro to mga 4 hours siguro, no? Then napakaganda ng graphics nito kahit very classic game na. May pagka luma na to, no? 15 years ago na yata tong game na to. Mahulog pala ron.
Rockets on the right! Stupid, you win war! Keep the pressure on! No more warmongering for you! Where'd he go? Hey, you always an idiot! Soldier, I'm looking for the closest control room. I think it's this way. Come back here! Come back here!
Battlefield log 4578. Leapers. There's a whole platoon of them activated. If you're listening to this, turn back and avoid engagement at all costs.
So ayun guys, no, yung ating mga games na running ng 15 watts and below 15 watts, no. Very power efficient na talaga tong ating Xbox ROG Ally X sa Steam OS, no? So I really suggest na if gusto nyo na mas more efficient yung power ng Ally nyo, mag-switch na kayo sa Steam OS. Napakaganda niya at napakatipid sa battery, lalo na pag nasa outdoor kayo, maabot to ng mga 3 to 4 hours depende sa watts na nilalagay nyo, no? And ang kinaganda nun is naka 1080p pa siya. Kung gusto nyo bawasan yung quality ng gameplay, pwede nyo namang i-reduce ng resolution, no? Pero syempre, sasacrifice nyo na nga yung graphics niya, no? Para sa akin, okay na yung 1080p na 15 watts na kahit naka low setting siya, is matipid na rin sa battery. Mas na-enjoy nyo yung gameplay ng inyong mga games. So sana nakatulong sa inyo to, and again, this is John Teki, and I hope to see you again soon. And sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Malaking tulong to para ma-improve natin yung ating mga content at sa mga future content natin para sa inyo guys, no? See you again to the next video. God bless everyone.